Here we have seen the interaction of Tableau desktop to the Tableau server. We have created some sample workbook and we have published to the Tableau server. Right now we are on the Tableau server. Let's see how the user interface and everything look like. So we are going to logged in, which we have previously created credentials. So we are logged in as admin. So once you are logged in, if you are a default site administrator or a default user for those sites, you will logged into the specific or respective sites. So we are not having much more the sites. So we have logged in as a default, logged in onto the default site. So inside default site, so we can see what are the content we have over a Tableau server. So you can see we have one project which is created over a Tableau server. That project contains 3 workbooks and total 11 worksheets and one data source. So information related to workbooks, views, and customization of those workbooks with respect to edits, then permissions, site roles, those information we can get it from this. And the overall high level numbers you can say it on the bottom, that how many workbooks are there, how many views are there, and how many data sources are there inside that default project. If you want to change the permissions, you can play with this. We have already have any one video on this to changing permission and change the owner. You can have a look on that video. Let's have a look on this top toolbar. So whenever you are logged in as administrator, then only you can see this top toolbar. For the normal user, they don't have any thing on this top. So let's go one by one. So first is content. You can see now on the content, you can see whatever the content we have published. We have already covered that. Inside the users and groups, you can see the list of users, what users have the access to this Tableau server, and the groups which are we have created previously. And in the left hand side, you can see uh, how to create a group and to create users. You can just click on this and you can select the options. For those users and groups, we have already have the video on those, so you can check the video on your creating users and groups. If you want to assign some tasks to the Tableau server, you can use this schedules. So these are the previously created schedules are there on the Tableau server. If you want to create new one, you can go ahead and select if it is extract refresh or a subscription. Based on that combinations, we can create this task, and whichever the task we have created, those are listed over here. So right now we don't have any task assigned to the Tableau server, so we cannot see anything. If you have inside the organization, if you have created multiple tasks, so those are going to be listed over here. If any point of time, if you want to change the settings of the administrator, you can go and visit this tab settings. So you will see settings related to Tableau administrator. We have again one specific video for this, how to handle this administrator uh, settings. So you can visit that video. It's good idea to check daily how my server is performing. So having a look on the health of Tableau server is easy with status tab. So in the status tab, you can see all the processes are listed over here, and you can see a green check mark, and some of the processes are still finding the status. So you can easily see how and what is the status of my all the processes and the overall Tableau server. So it is a good idea to check each and every day the status of the Tableau server. If you want to see detailed information about the views, data sources, and every process, you can have a look on this. We have already one video on this about building administrative views. So you can check on those videos and the status video. All the detailed videos we have over there. If you want to maintain the logs, we have again video for the logs. You can check out those videos. So everything related to checking health and maintaining Tableau server, those kind of status we can uh, see from this status tab. uh, so what are the options we have over here on the right top? So You can see your content. If you click on this, you will see whatever the content you have published. So you will get back to this directly. If you want to change, so whenever we have logged in, we have seen this, right? Default page was the landing page. If you want to change to your content, so you can go ahead and go to this page, any page you want to set as a default, and select, make this my start page. So it will automatically set it is as a start page, and you will land up on this page only. If you want to see your settings, you can click on this, and if you want to sign out, you can choose those options. So this is how basic overview of what elements we have over a Tableau server.